magpapile ng resignation, di ba? Napagalitan mo kasi mali yung ginawa. I'm not valued in this company. I'm resign. No? Buting nag-resign, nag-awol pa. No? So that can be challenging, yung building resilience in people. Kasi ayaw mo namang i-tolerate yun. Again, you don't want to tolerate. Ayaw kong pagsabihan kasi baka mag-resign. What you want to do is build their resilience so that they're able to deal with the challenges of the job. Ano ngayon ang kailangan mong gawin as a leader to build resilience in people? No? Kasi kung hindi resilient yung team member mo, ang dami mong papasaning responsibilidad. It becomes overwhelming. Ikaw na ngayon yung stress, di ba? And what you want to do, as you know, I heard from all of you, you want to empower people. You don't want to empower incompetence. You want to empower people because they're competent. And therein lies the big job.